Let's not forget, remind me. If I get lost, please find me.
Most I Rastafari Almighty, so I say, okay. Manu, Marcus, Honorable. So much things to give thanks for, I don't even know where to start. So I come before thee with a very grateful heart. And in this Gideon, I will always play my part. If I ever forget to give thanks, Jah, please remind me. If I ever get lost, please find me and stand beside me. Rastafari Almighty. If I ever forget to give thanks, Jah, please remind me. If I ever get lost, please find me and stand beside me to protect and guide me. Cause I'm so blessed and I won't stress. I know Jah loves me, I won't guess. Pagans may talk but Jah knows best. They're trying to stop me but I won't let them be a threat to I. Nor even get to I, nor step to I. Rastafari protect the eye, and King Manuel bless the eye. With more words of truth, cause Marcus Garvey a prophesy. And Queen Omega on the right hand, I will praise the King as long as I can. He made me and I can praise Rastafari and let the world know. Fire like an inferno, although I've learned from all life lessons, giving thanks for all my blessings. I have seen the King's works manifesting, the ropes of Rastafari impressing. If I ever forget to give thanks, Jah, please remind me. If I ever get lost, please find me and stand beside me. Rastafari Almighty. If I ever forget to give thanks, Jah, please remind me. If I ever get lost, please find me and stand beside me to protect and guide me. Yes, yes, I said, yes, yes, Jah said. So I see I go out the greatest, I said. And Munga thou will always be blessed, Jah said. From north, south to the east and to the west, Jah said. Oh yes, Jah said, oh yes, I said. Give thanks to my prince and my princess, I said. And hail the emperor and his empress, I said. Also the Ethiopian black congress, I said. So blessed, I said, no stress, I said. So I see I protect me, I won't guess, I said. I stay focused on my conquest, I said. So vanity could never impress my head. Progress, Just said, the best, I said. So I see I go out the highest, I said. My life in Rastafari I invest, I said. Survival is my main interest. And if I ever forget to give thanks, Jah, please remind me. If I ever get lost, please find me and stand beside me.
Every ghetto youth, it's a battlefield. Yeah, listen, make sure. So the one here. I feel the warriors behind the bars.
Real G's, real.
We keep shining like the stars. We are shooting stars.
See?
So we have to come a road, must come a road. So the others and the code. Have to come a road, must come a road. Survive the burdens and the lows. So we have to come a road, must come a road. Certain youths them have to come a road. Have to come a road, must come a road. Out there, yeah. Cause if we do the crime then we will serve it, yeah. But I know every youth deserve it. You see, mama said the system tougher than a turbot. Them can't take within a puppet with a Kermit. JBS need compensation for them service. And Squally said no dance can't keep without the permit. That's why some youth decide for bust it up for earn it. Them not no other way to turn it. But them have to come a road, must come a road. So the others and the code. Have to come a road, must come a road. Survive the burdens and the lows. So we have to come a road, must come a road. Certain youths them have to come a road. Have to come a road, must come a road. J-Town, all the heap of youths from Gunspen. Cause I have a piece, Java and Top 10. Queenland, De La Vega to De La Cree. Stone Hill, Westmead back to Phase 3. One more than Piper Pin. And enough of them lucky. Some innocent, some get caught with big machine. True circumstance, enough get trapped in. Cause the grass is not always green. So we have to come a road, must come a road. So can be tough, and to survive is like a battlefield. Can't give up, and if you can't hear well, you are go feel. Life can be tough. If you want good, you have to have runny nose. I saw you know. Who are your real friend from who are you foes? Oh, cause life nowadays on a better roads. Man, you to feel you carry them, one kill your fear when I close. You don't use them, no respect older folks. Them talk anything, them want to talk and take it like a joke. What is really happening is like hell bust loose and the devil walking. Now everybody looking for a fin, but the work thing, nobody know how to turn it in. Life can be tough, and to survive is like a battlefield. Can't give up, and if you can't hear well, you are go feel. Life can be tough. If you want good, you have to have runny nose. I saw you know. Who are your real friend from who are you foes? Oh, listen to my words, I'm talking because I'm hurt. We're tired of the promises and then the dish was stirred. I know what I deserve, don't kick me to the curve, because I know whoever man I'm feeling so it hurting. But everybody looking for something, but not everybody gonna get it. Everybody going for dating, and some of them just don't know to find it. Life can be tough, and to survive it's like a battlefield. Can't give up, and if you can't hear well, you are go feel. Life can be tough.
No, a piece of my life story. Can I tell you? Well, music saved my life. The realest part of music. Can't refuse it. I was adopted from 1 month old because I never had no father to play that role, and my mother never had silver nor gold. So kick back, make the story unfold. Yeah, me used to thief the hot breadfruit when it rose, and me adopted parents used to beat me bad with the O's. Them say I got man, me a ton and me a go dead on the road. I feel so good when I'm all alone, cause God knows each and every day. Sometimes I feel like running away. That's why me hope and pray that me have to make it one day, cause God knows each and every day. Sometimes I feel like running away. That's why me hope and pray that me have to make it one day. I was born in the ghetto, raised by the slum, living on me house before it burned down. People used to say me is a mad woman son, so me must have a touch of the madness in me blood. Grew up with the gangsters, so me raised as a thug. Me never sell out, me never move like no scrub. Me never grew up with no father for sure, me no love. So me pray to the Father above, only God knows. Each and every day, sometimes I feel like running away. That's why me hope and pray that me have to make it one day, cause God knows. Each and every day, sometimes I feel like running away. That's why me hope and pray that me have to make it one day. I was adopted from 1 month old because I never had no father to play that role, and my mother never had silver nor gold. So kick back, make the story unfold. Yeah, me used to thief the hot breadfruit when it rose, and me adopted parents used to beat me bad with the O's. Them say I got man, me a ton and me a go dead on the road. I feel so good when I'm all alone, cause God knows. Each and every day, sometimes I feel like running away. That's why me hope and pray that me have to make it one day, cause God knows. Each and every day, sometimes I feel like running away. That's why me hope and pray that me have to make it one day, cause God knows. Each and every day, sometimes I feel
Konshens,
like
Dario Danger. Why are we alone have to feel the pain? Why they get some people not feel the strain? Who is there to answer when we complain? The system won't give us migraine. Just poor people that feel the stress. Why my mother have to feel the press? The little man a juggling herbs and I give them a rest. The people cry, them cry, them cry, them cry. The people cry, them cry, them cry, them cry. People a cry, I said them can't take the pressure. Every minister we 14 promise to make it better. Yet still we not see no changes a come. It's like a one name engraved in a slum for real. Life shouldn't be like this. Why we have to cope with this crisis? Food, shelter and high prices. My people them really face it. That's why we cry. Them cry. The people cry, them cry, them cry, them cry. Why are we alone have to feel the pain? Why they get some people that feel the strain? Who is there to answer when we complain? The system wants to give us migraine. Just poor people that feel the stress. Why my mother have to feel the press? The little man a juggling herbs and I give them a rest. The people cry, them cry, them cry, them cry. The people cry, them cry, them cry.
Side of the world, oh yes it is a stress. No healthcare for the people and security is a mess. No food for the poor, no shelter for the homeless. The clock is ticking like a time bomb set. So I got to work hard to fulfill my dream. Every ghetto youth out there, yes, they want to live clean. Big house, big car and all help a living. So who is gonna pay the bills? So me have to juggle hard to keep my family alive. Never want to see them go on the wrong side. Every mickle make a muckle, put a little one side for a rainy day.
Do you know how hungry feel?
Ask a juvenile in the street.
Do you know how hungry feel?
3 days without a meal.
Do you know how hungry feel?
White squall make me lip them peel.
Do you know how hungry feel?
Hey! Looking a little Jamaica where we know a paradise. Yet still we can hear the whole world cry. You know much youth go to bed without 1 grain of rice. A smile on him face and tears a run from him eye. Mama say hush baby, do not cry. One more on the breast till them all a run dry. Them lock off the water and cut off the light. Home sweet home and the lamb shake tonight because
do you know how hungry feel?
ask a juvenile in the street.
Do you know how hungry feel?
3 days without a meal.
Do you know how hungry feel?
White squall make me lip them peel.
Do you know how hungry feel?
This side of the world, oh yes it is a stress. No healthcare for the people and security is a mess. No food for the poor, no shelter for the homeless. The clock is ticking like a time bomb set. So I got to work hard to fulfill my dream. Every ghetto youth out there, yes, them want to live clean. Big house, big car and all help a living. So who is gonna pay the bills? So me have to juggle hard to keep my family alive. Never want to see them go on the wrong side. Every mickle make a muckle, put a little one side for a rainy day.
Do you know how
a juvenile in the street.
Do you know how hungry feel?
3 days without a meal.
Do you know how hungry feel?
White squall make me lip them peel.
Do you know how hungry feel? Do you know how hungry feel?
Ask a juvenile in the street.
Do you know how hungry feel?
3 days without a meal.
Do you know how hungry feel?
White squall make me lip them peel.
And me alone I say so. Music Fiaco, Mr. Neighborhood Cop. Tell me why you feel like the dance should stop. Why you kick over the people them so fat. And all the herbs them where you take where you fi put back. You Mr. Neighborhood Cop. Tell me why you feel like the dance should stop. Tell me why you kick over all the so fat. All the herbs them where you take where you fi put back. If every day you get up and I draw the string, one day the string wine bust. Yo, Jackass did that tell me say that hurt you no level. I nah laugh up with no devil. Me see police a patrol and dropping a patrol. Cause the road won't fix but them not call control. As music a play them come big and bold. While lock off the dance on liquid and we mold. We want rock and roll and reggae and soul. Dance all hot and the liquor them cool. Police invade like stay the figure roll. This stop poor people at them goal. Mr. Neighborhood Cop, tell me why you feel like the dance should stop. Why you kick over the people them so fat. And all the herbs them where you take where you fi put back. Mr. Neighborhood Cop, tell me why you feel like the dance should stop. Why you kick over the people them so fat. All the herbs them where you take where you fi put back. Again, yo, if every day you get up and I draw the string, one day the string wine bust. Yo, Jackass did that tell me say that hurt you no level. I nah laugh up with no devil. Cause when dance all ram and out the road empty, nobody nah dead cause crime no plenty. And that is still a dance at him a 70. We no want no police a try prevent it. Cause a music alone for this a century. No boy can't bring no gun contemporary. Cause a music man a play all in a penitentiary. So when you lock off the sound a bench your bench. Neighborhood Cop, tell me why you feel like the dance should stop. Why you kick over the people them so fat. And all the herbs them where you take where you fi put back. Mr. Neighborhood Cop, tell me why you feel like the dance should stop. Tell me why you kick over the
bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. Me nah fi hide when Jah turn the road. Jah bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. Wicked man nah go see me no. Jah bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. Me nah fi bow fi achieve my goal. Jah bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. Jah take control. Them greatest love is vanity. Them enemy is humanity. Leaders lose them sanity. Love in quantity, what about the quality? Who me want the money? Me nah do love the money. Me rather bake bread down and yummy. Me days might be rainy now, but it soon gets sunny. Jah bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. Me nah fi hide when Jah turn the road. Jah bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. The wicked man nah go see me no. Jah bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. Me nah fi bow fi achieve my goal. Jah bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. Jah take control. Mama told me the limit is the sky. She said son, no they don't buy. She said never hesitate to try. Wipe the tears from your eyes, only girls cry. Who me want the riches? A house full of riches, but me rather live in the hills and suffer than live in the cities with the sea, with the fishes. Jah bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. Me nah fi hide when Jah turn the road. Jah bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. Wicked man nah go see me no. Jah bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. Me now fi born fi achieve my goal. Jah bless me soul, Jah bless me soul. Jah take control. Some man run fi cover when the lightning strike. To them I do some things that Jah don't like. Like Peter no fi ride from Paul Black bike. So him want wear a New Year night. Go tell the wicked man them fi clean up them heart and clean up them souls. Yes, it's lyrical. This is a message from my heart to the world. Keep a clean heart. Jah bless me soul.
Consider trouble from those who hate me. You who lift me up from the gates of death, that I may tell of all your praise in the gates of the daughter of Zion. I will rejoice in your salvation. In times of trouble, I called on your name, and you heard my cry and stay by my side. In times of trouble, I called on your name, and you heard my cry and stay by my side. Jah, you never let me down. Jah, you never let me down. Oh no, Most High never let me down. Jah, you never let me down. Jah, you never let me down. Oh no, Most High never let me down. Many times I fail you, but you still see me true. Jah, I can't stop praise you. Though some I can't check you. Jah, I know that you're real, 'cause you I can feel. You're my guide and my shield. On this battlefield, you provided my meal and give me life so I can live. Health and strength, the best of friends. You are my everything. Jah, you never let me down. Jah, you never let me down. Oh no, Most High never let me down. Jah, you never let me down. Jah, you never let me down. Oh no, Most High never let me down. In times of trouble, I called on your name, and you heard my cry and stay by my side. In times of despair, when friends just don't care, Jah, you always stay near. All my burdens you bear. Jah, you never let me down. Jah, you never let me down. Oh no, Most High never let me down. Jah, you never let me down. Jah, you never let me down. Oh no, Most High never let me down.
Guide me, oh Jah. Protect me, oh God. Jah, you never let me down. No, the devil I fried. Guide me, oh Jah. Protect me, oh God. Jah, you never let me down. No, the devil I fried. Sinners I go weep and mourn, ball and groan. Who no love Jah, me see them now go sing tune. Them a live them dirty life down in a them devil zone. No love towards each other, every man is for their own. Jah, do not keep silent, do not keep still. No devil worship I could never charge your holy hill. So give ease to my crown and see me through it all. We all are one blood, but sometimes we short fall. Guide me, oh Jah. Protect me, oh God. Jah, you never let me down, no. The devil I fraud. Guide me, oh Jah. Guide me, protect me, oh God. Jah, you never let me down, no, no. The devil I fraud. Why do mankind boast of their evil? Lovers of themselves got no love for people. They sleep, they wake on pure thoughts of evil. But Jah watch over I like who him watch over the evil. So it's easier for a camel to the eye of a needle. I see some rich man put them trust in all them money, house and vehicle. Only fools know the existence of God. That's why their life is so hard. Guide me, oh Jah. Protect me, oh God. Jah, you never let me down. The devil I fraud. Guide me, oh Jah. Protect me, oh God. Jah, you never let me down. The devil I fraud. Yes, yes. Hear my cry, Jah, hear my cry. I love you, I'll never ever lie. All my blessings coming from the eye. Guide me, oh Jah. Guide me, Jah. Protect me, oh God.
Visions of happiness, visions of peace. When we have justice, we will have peace. Fighting with another, we fight with ourselves, cause we're part of creation, like the stars and the sun. Have you forgotten who you are? Kings and queens, we're coming from afar. Ancient creation, rising from the east. Rulers of great nations, come let's trample the beast. Oh children of light, please open your eyes. Cause peace is inside. You just gotta open your eyes. Oh children of light, please open your eyes. Cause peace is inside. You just gotta open your eyes. Can't you see how far we have come? Selassie, Bob Marley, Marcus Garvey, Malcolm X, Martin Luther King, Mandela, Gandhi, and the rest. Obama made a stand, say yes we can. We do have a voice and there's power in our hands. Trust in the Almighty and not in no man. Seek Him first, cause He has a plan. Without His love, we don't have a stand. Oh, children of light, please open your eyes. Cause peace is inside. You just gotta open your eyes. Oh, children of light, please open your eyes. Cause peace is inside. You just gotta open your eyes. From the bottom of the barrel all the way to the top. It's a struggle every day, you better believe that. No matter who you are, correct the response with that. Every man have a costume that they carry on their back, yes. Oh, children of light, please open your eyes. Cause peace is inside. You just gotta open your eyes.
I have a dream today.
I had a dream last night, and the future looks so bright. No one to fuss, no one to fight, and people all across the world unite. I had a dream last night, oh, that the table is finally turned, and the leaders finally learn. It's gonna take love to heal the world. In my dream, I saw peace, I saw love, I saw you, I saw me. In my dream, dream, the things I've seen. No one is crying, no murder scene. Just perfect love for human being. And they're living like the birds and the bees and the fishes and the...
I have a dream. Poor little children. One day live in a nation where they will love each other
should be.
and beside the pump in the backyard. I have a dream today.
That's the way it should be. My dream, I saw peace, I saw peace, I saw love, I saw you, I saw me. In my dream, I saw peace, I saw love, I saw you, I saw me.
I had a dream.
I love you, my brother, I love you, my sister. Whether you worship in your church, your temple, or your mosque, whether you're black or white, we're all children of one Father. His Imperial Majesty, Emperor Haile King Selassie I, the first. Brothers and sisters, I thank you for listening. You know it's perfect.
This is a freestyle, not a song I wrote. Don't you take it for no plastic joke, go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy. I will forever be burning the pub. Don't you take it for a plastic joke, go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy. And when the pagans try to corral you, Haile Selassie will see you through. Go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy. Bro, your Congo never you shame. Be courageous, strong and brave. Go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy. Master preacher, beat up your blinking gum, but you can't stop the chosen son. Go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy. But didn't I tell you before? Yes, of this I'm very sure. Go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy. The great strong walls of Babylon fell. All of us show off and not ring them church bell. Go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy. This is a freestyle, not a song I wrote. Don't you take it for no plastic joke. Go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy. I said the time's so rough and the system tough. Ghetto youths don't turn no rough. Go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy. And obey, go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy. Grandpa was smoking a garden, saying he was tired of war. Go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy. Children, go to school. Never make Bobby wrong. Take your food no food. Go you're naughty. And be happy. Whether you're big or small, Haile Selassie I guide overall. Go you're naughty. Give thanks and be happy.
behind these prison walls, doing my paces, doing my time. I am spending my restless nights, visioning faces. Oh, they all cry, cry. Prison on a bed of roses, the liberty it makes me ball. I wish that y'all could come and take us back in time. 'Cause I swear that I can be a better man. Yes, I swear. If only you could understand the fate in me shall set me free. Reflection. The fate in me shall set me free. Reflection. Da 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 da. Behind these metal bars, to judge I'm chanting. Pray for your love divine. I'm oh so sorry, man. Deeply I'm hurting. The price ordained to be mine. Impossible to see the changes that I've made in my life. All they see is just the boy they left behind. And I swear that I can be a better man. Yes, I swear, yeah. If only you could understand the fate of me shall set me free. Reflection. The fate in me shall set me free. Reflection. Da 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 da. King Selassie, you my everything. So everything is everything. Every night and day, see you me sing. You never left us out in the cold.
Never left us out in the cold.
Protect me under your wings.
Your wings.
Under your wings. Hey. Only just see and know everything was going on. Glad that I was born. Know everything was going on. Yeah. Water too deep to let them cross on their own. Mountain too steep to let them climb it alone. I know that it's time alone, trying to the dangerous zone. Yeah. Say it's me alone, yeah. Tell mama be cool, tell papa be cool. Soon I'll be coming home, and everything is gonna be fine. Tell mama be cool, tell papa be cool. Soon I'll be coming home, and everything is gonna be fine. I know it's rough, but still go and live it up, yeah. And make salvation for your cup. The little way you get to know it's not enough. Rastafari numerous in time to come. You'll get enough, yeah. Only just see and know. Only just see. Only just see. Only just see. Hey, oh. Time to come. The fire was built with showing. Time to come. The mystic will be flowing, yeah. again. Know you did not pray for me. Know your prayers come true. Done with all my suffering. Time for something new. Freedom. My heart just a sing praises to the King. Freedom. Healing for the poor. Here comes the cure. Freedom. My heart just a sing praises to the King. Freedom. Healing for the poor. Here comes the cure. Been through the worst, now a time for me rise and shine. Many things I made it lose, but I'm here to reclaim what's mine. Jaja make me stronger, stronger than before. We now have to wait no longer. Wait till time is now. The most high freedom. Here comes the cure. Hey, cure is here. Cure is here. No, 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 no. Hey, I tell you. Rastafari say yo, hey. Nevertheless, know myself I won't stress. In a captive, still my vanity's at rest. Through the roughest sometimes, through the toughest sometimes, hey. Still we go through, many wonder how we do. When we do, all the things we do. Still it is starting you, to me or you, hey. Leave them wondering, leave the wicked them wondering, yeah. Leave them wondering, not to leave them wondering. Still I, still I, still I. Don't wanna be down no more. Don't wanna be down no more. Don't wanna be down. Wanna be down. Who wants to be down? Yeah. No one wanna be down. No one wants to be down. Yeah. Wants to be down. It may rough, but we never see no sign of giving up, no. The Gideon rough, but we can't show no sign, we have to live it up. I know with the easy, the system that please we. I know with the easy, hey. When times get rough on us, only to try I trust. Sdancehall, call on you, King. Call on you, King. Call on you. I call on you. Now hear me sing.
Still we got to stay alive, you know.
Don't know I make it every day. Lord help me. Life ain't easy. Whoa, yeah. Don't know I make it every day. Lord help me. Life ain't easy. I'm suffering, suffering, Lord help me. Suffering, I'm suffering, suffering, Lord help me. Suffering, I'm suffering, suffering, Lord help me. Suffering, I'm suffering, yeah. 'Cause though we be working hard, trying to achieve, still no reward. They take we from out our own yard, now they push us away. Now help us, Lord. Got to get through somehow, yet still we not go bow. No power, nobody tell me about no show. Call of them thing they a gaya. Don't know I make it every day. Lord help me. Life ain't easy. Whoa, yeah. Suffering, I'm suffering, I'm suffering. Yeah.
Why them have to make it so hard when it could be so easy?
Make it so hard.
Instead of let you go, them just a hold and a squeeze with.
Me said them take we tax money full up them bag. I we do all the work and yet we not have. Enough youth out the hustle and them still a fear rob. Yo, because a little what them a make not even good for feed the hog. Them say humble is the way a man for trod. But more time you way humble and you humble till you're mad. The government them a way and them foot just a jog. Cha know me no know how more make it if I never father God. Cause politician no give we no help round ya. Only gun alone we see them send round ya. Oh, so what we a fool. True we under privilege, me see them come abuse you like some tool. But
one day we're gonna overcome, yeah. 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 Don't know I make it.
Go through and do them work and pray for the Almighty and don't grumble. But the thing I come to in our bungle, no fret. Yeah, that's how the thing set, you know. Watch you now. Time's getting harder every day. Mankind get more unkind to one another every day. They try and get our people a ball and set away. A portion a little youth and the other way gone straight. Them can't poison we mind we burn again. Them a try rub out the line and never saw we something stay. It's now your bingy going to remind them of the way to find the divine emperor. Well enough of them a trading them soul for the dollar. The wicked a crime committing a white collar. The big mastermind where they behind a rose collar. I claim say them a lead Lucifer, them a follow. But what does it take to show love to your brother and straighten up with thing unless we wreck it more? That is what you rather, and that nah go do no good. My people got to love each other. The way it's set up, if it's not one thing, it's another. So boom, time's getting harder every day. Mankind get more unkind to each other every day. They try and get up people up, all it's set away. A portion I get our girls gone the other way, gone straight. Them can't buy so we mind we burn again. Them try corrupt with thing and never saw we something stay. It's Rastafari going to remind them judge away to find the divine emperor. When you arise, some people want to see your demise, just like the pigs them in the styes want you and them to fraternize. I hate those guys, the ones who come and they tell the people lies, corrupting youths becoming wise and feed them poison till he dies while mama cries. She saw it happening right before her eyes, to all her bawling on her sides and question no one replies. Turn to the skies and ask the Father why. Oh why is this the judgment that was set for I and I? We never have it easy, we have to struggle to survive. Our leap on my brethren, them not live to see the age of 25. Boom, hey, time's getting harder every day. Mankind get more unkind to one another every day. They try and get our people up, all it's set away. A portion, a little youth gone the other way, gone straight. Can't buy so we mind we burn again. Them try mash up with thing and never saw with something stay. It's now your bingy going to remind them judge away to find the divine emperor. Poor people working hard, rich people getting paid. The sufferer pull a card and in a pool of bloody lead. The rich man charge a fraud and in a champagne in my bed. When I down at the sufferer yard where the cops gone go raid, me still no afraid of them Babylonian system where them up on parade. All the evil laws they made through them, no one will burn the graves. See the pastor lecture with bumper sticker sign for Jesus safe. When so many people suffering to them graves, straight into the grave. Boom, time's getting harder every day. Mankind get more unkind to one another every day. They try and get our people up, all it's set away. A portion I get a youth gone the other way, gone straight. Can't buy so we mind we burn again. Them a try corrupt we mind and never saw we something stay. It's not your bingy going to remind them of the way to find the divine emperor. Yeah.
No man I breathe no way for you. Make you walk and I kill people, sir. The country vex. Why my people can't live in unity? Shut up me, I beg you, please. Seize. Make peace rain that the shots a boy. Why you a kill every little joy? The image of the country you a destroy. No example for the girls and the boys. Make peace rain that the shots a boy. Why you a kill every little joy?
Jaja called me for me journey. You're gonna walk the earth. They want my soul. Selassie take control. Give my strength, oh Jah. Strength, oh Jah. To go through this and back to you. Not surrounded with vampire. Give my strength, oh Jah. Strength, oh
bum boy. Bum yeah yeah yeah. Boy. Boy yeah. Boy yeah. Listen. I know it's hard when you try to look at job. Nothing to be found, so you steal and rap. Everybody fighting the struggle. Where I'm from, ain't nobody follow God. So everywhere me turn, everybody looks sad. Everybody facing the struggle. Yeah. North and south, when me say east to the west. Some got a lot, when me say some got it less. Yes, you could have bought it, I even not the dread. Everyone feel reach happiness. Ay. Full of meditation, stop the stress. Life is really not about who got it best. Yes, give some to the needy out of your harvest. From Jaja see that Jaja bless. Yes, boom. I know it's hard when you try to look at job. Nothing to be found, so you steal and rap. Everybody fighting the struggle. Where I'm from, ain't nobody follow God. So everywhere me turn, everybody looks sad. Everybody facing the struggle. Yeah. Remember, say you can't serve two masters. If you do, you end up in a disaster. Do you really want the joy and laughter? Seek time, everything will come after. Child also help themselves, that are true. Keep on doing good and goodness follow you. Or else I no corner, no callaloo. So tell me now, what you gonna do? Everybody's in the struggle, so everybody have to hustle. I know it's hard, but you have to get up and I pray to God. Everybody's in the struggle, so everybody have to hustle. Yeah. I know it's hard when you try to look at job. Nothing to be found, so you steal and rap. Everybody fighting the struggle. Where I'm from, ain't nobody follow God. So everywhere me turn, everybody looks sad. Everybody facing the struggle. Yeah. You got to keep your head up. You got to keep.
One day things must get better. Thank Father God for the bread and the butter. Look how much people out the road that suffer. So anywhere the money there, you know me have to go for one day. Things must get better. Thank Father God for the bread and the butter. Look how much people out the road that suffer. So anywhere the money there, you know me have to go for life hard. Poor people have the hustle hard. Every day another you gone in a body bag. The system boil them in the water like a crab. It's like them have no fear for God. Them see we as a disease and not as a part of the race. When them looking at we face, it's a big disgrace. Matter full up my eyes, teeth full of grease. But long as we have life, one day things must get better. Thank Father God for the bread and the butter. Look how much people out the road that suffer. So anywhere the money there, you know me have to go for one day. Things must get better. Thank Father God for the bread and the butter. Look how much people out the road that suffer. So anywhere the money there, you know me have to go for. When me look over 80 and see what a happen, holy a body lay down there rotten. Every day them build 100 new coffin, while the bigger heads them in a them house well fatten. I don't know what to do, I don't know what to say. I hope and pray for better days, brighter days. One day things must get better. Thank Father God for the bread and the butter. Look how much people out the road that suffer. So anywhere the money there, you know me have to go for one day.
things must get better. Thank Father God for the bread and the butter. Look how much people out the road that suffer. So every money.
Even when the journey's so long, I've got to keep moving on. Stumbling block in my way, never let it stop me no day. I trod this rocky road as I overcome my burden. No one help me with my love. It seems as if their heart is hardened. Brighter days ahead. Hear me now, children. Brighter days ahead. My Lord. Brighter days ahead. Hear me now, children. Brighter days ahead. So many rivers we have to cross. I see so many youth get lost. Rub my finger to the bone. Yes, I got to hunt for my own. Even when the journey's so long, I've got to keep moving on. Stumbling block in my way, never let it stop me no day. They give me no reward, 9 to 5 a day. Promises the game that they always play. They give me no reward, 9 to 5 a day. Promises the game that they always play. That they always play. Mind game, playing mind game. That they wanna play. Mind game, they wanna play. That they always play. Their mind game, playing mind game. That they wanna play. Mind game, that they always play. Mind game, yeah. When the journey's so long, yes, I got to keep moving on. The one, yeah. From every mother's mouth, son, bad company put in a trouble. When you get caught, you can't know. No. Now these are the things my mom used to warn me about. Son, bad company put in a trouble. When you get caught, you can't know. No. When the rain falls, it falls and them on the whole stop. Mama fully bucket and the job I get for your job. When the sun shines through everybody's window. Anything you want, you have to know you hold. Real youths, true mothers have to grow them up. Your mommy take you up even when you get a cut. Cause mommy's always gonna be by your side more than your girlfriend.
save me. You're right, yes, mama. I know your parents are the one that guide me. Mama, pray for me. Your prayers mean everything to me. Even though I'm going on my own baby knees, mama, prayer is all I need.
You, mama, you're the mother creation of our life. Hey, mama, when you have your ups and downs, you never turn your children down. Children are your highest crown. Nobody can bounce your bringing them around, mama.
Say a prayer for me, 'cause it's give me safety. Your prayers, mama, I know your prayers are the one that guide me. Mama, pray for me. Your prayers mean everything to me. Even though I'm going on my own baby knees, mama, prayer is all I need.
Mama, I wish I had forever. I will give it all to you, because there's nothing on
When you
earth
cry,
for my
when you cry,
mama.
I cry even more. But this I'm sure I'm gonna do. Whoa, whoa. I'ma take you from the slumma, from the slumma. If I even plant some trees, I'ma take you from the slum. Me nah go bust no gun. Mommy, if it take till like kingdom come, I'ma take you from the slumma, from that slumma. If I even plant some trees, I'ma take you from the slum. Me nah go bust no gun. Hurt me, hey man. Neither we will grow up in a one room, Papa. You try but your life got soon. Mama, you stand up like a tall post. Good gosh, and when the boss boy deal with you close, you never turn and walk away. You know say you alone, they have to take care away. Mama, you are a lion. You are a true lioness. I'ma take you from the slumma, from that slumma. If I even plant some trees, I'ma take you from the slum. Me nah go bust no gun. Mommy, if it take till like kingdom come, I'ma take you from the slumma, from that slumma. If I even plant some trees, I'ma take you from that slum. Me nah go bust no gun. Hurt me, hey. Mama, no, I'm not a scholar, but I got to make that dollar. Good gosh, inna them a computer day. Mom, your son him a be street smart. Good gosh, to me, you're more than a sweetheart. Me not gonna make you swim one day inna your own pool. You want me 3 sons, them in your own yard. I want the pagans them a pass them see a sign. Oh, it mark beware of bad. Take you from the slumma, from that slumma. If I even be plant some trees, I'ma take you from the slum. Me nah go bust no gun. Mommy, if it take till like kingdom come, I'ma take you from the slumma, from that slumma. If I even be plant some trees, I'ma take you from the slum. Me nah go bust no gun. Hurt me, hey, hey ma, I love you from the get-go. You know you are my favorite girl. I love you from the get-go. From me I go to school, me always bring back a one kiss go. From that get-go, hey man, you know, say that.
Lead my cause a Rastafari. Fight against those that fight against I and I. Lead my cause a Rastafari. I ever living, ever faithful, and ever sure. He's coming from the land of King David. Lions tamed and played with. 72 nation crowned and hail him. When you hail him high. Rastafari, High Majesty, King of Kings and the Lord of Lords, conquering Lion of the tribe of Judah. Like him there's no other. When you hail him high.
While the enemies sit and watch and talk, the blessing multiply, yeah. History recall in 1966, but a policy does your board. But if a crowd get around, this little short man, them ask, who that? A King Selassie.
Never before has the world seen a king like him.
His imperial
seen a king like him.
It's true, check your culture. So true, ask the elders. It's true. Sure. The prophet John Marcus said, look to the east for the coming of a black king. Seen the flashing lightning, watch the wicked frightening. When you hail him, got to hail him high. He let up himself and light up this world. Let to the children, boys and girls, them lust for diamonds and pearls. When you hail him high.
Rastafari,
I man say, oh, wicked vices, yeah. While the enemies sit and they watch and they talk, the blessing multiply, yeah. Them a talk, some of my son got mad, stop yam, them meet a sickly vegetable cheddar. When them look on me, shut a dozen button when me have a oof a picture. I King Selassie.
never before has the world seen a king like him.
His imperial
majesty. Never before has the world seen a king like him.
Rastafari, I majesty, King Rastafari, be with I, never leave I, far I majesty, God Rastafari, ever living, ever faithful, and ever sure. Lead my cause, Rastafari. Fight against those that fight against I and I. Lead my cause, Rastafari. Ever living, ever faithful, and ever sure. Lead my cause, Rastafari. Fight against those that fight against I. Lead my cause, Rastafari. Ever living, ever faithful, ever sure. I woke up this morning, feel a burning fire inside. Oh yeah. And some people say that I'm crazy, losing my mind. But look in my head and you'll see everything that I've been through. You can look in my head and you'll see everything that I've been through. Woke up this morning and everyone knew something was wrong. Oh, I guess you can say I'm finally tired of being stepped on. Look in my eyes and you'll see all the tears that I've cried. And if you look in my life then you'll see all the fights that I've survived. Oh yeah. So tell me why so much wickedness out there. Hey, tell me why so much wickedness out there. Hey, tell me why so much wickedness out there. Tell me why. Ooh, I tell you this morning, you feel like running away. True one, I guess you can say
hypocrisy. Cause when I look at the news and I listen to the views of the masses, writings there on the wall from the leaders we call, they have no clue. Tell you this morning, I feel like staying inside. Oh yes, the way things are going, we're better off in exile. When I look outside, tears fill my eyes, I cry. And I can't live a lie, separation I see on all sides. Tell me why so much wickedness out there. Tell me why so much wickedness out there. Tell me why so much wickedness out there. Tell me why.
My girl said, why don't you go get a job? That's what she asks me every day. Yeah. And she said, music is not no real work, so I have nothing to say. Now she said, what make you a figure rehearsal every day? I make you happy, go a studio for my birthday. When was the last time you came home before midnight? And I said to her, maybe one day you will overstand. I'm only a man working hard for my family, and the rewards may not come right away. Have some faith, this I know. It will come, it will come, it will come. She said, it will come, so you say, but can you give me a date or a time? Or better yet, do you mind telling all of your plans to the landlord? And she said, I have no faith, and I won't even pretend. And by the way, do you remember tomorrow is rent? You say you love me a lot, but that can't put food in a pot. No way. Then I say, all I ask of you is take your time. You might wake the child, even though you're angry. The rewards may not come right away. Have some faith, this I know. It will come, it will come. Yeah, yeah. No, 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 no. Yeah, yeah. Every time I stop, I make a look back as I reflect on my life, my life. Every time I stop, I make a look back at the struggles in my life, my life. In my life, I've seen many things. In my life, I've seen paupers turn to kings. Some people come and go, yet their memories never fade. Not everybody knows that the good things that you do will be remembered for, remembered for. I've seen it all, the rising and the falling of many kings.
and the bird that tries to fly away with broken wings. Yeah, yeah, I've seen it all. While wicked people stand aside and do their thing, I pray to Jah, meditate and strum my guitar strings. Oh, oh, yeah. Every time I stop, I make a look back as I reflect on my life, my life. Every time I stop, I make a look back on the struggles in my life. Some live in a glass house and still in my mass out. Some have it all, watching us fall, still in my flash out. I've seen it all. Rising and falling, many kings, yeah. Bird that tries to fly away with broken wings. Seen it all, I've seen it all, I've seen it all. Why the wicked people stand aside and do their thing. Pray to Jah and meditate and strum up my guitar string. No, 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 yeah, no, 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 oh yeah.
East to west, north and south. That's what it's really all about. And I know that. Yes, I really owe that to Jah. Respect. Yeah. Respect. If I had a pair of wings, do you think I'd fly away from you? No. No, no. If I own all the fleets of ships, do you think I'll sail away from you? No. From east to west, north and south. That's what it's really all about. And I know that. Yes, I really owe that to Jah. Respect. Yeah. Respect. Give thanks and praise to the owner of all things here on earth. Yes. Let's give thanks and behave to Jah only conception. No other, yeah, no other. Jah is in control. From east to west, north and south. No illusion, yeah, no. Better come to this conclusion, or it's gonna be your total confusion. To destruction, yeah. Strained from your true conception, yeah. From east to west, north and south. That's what it's really all about. And I really know that.